Hey, it's Cruz. How you doing? How you feeling? I'm about to start my morning routine, and a mentor of mine once told me, he said, Cruz, what is your ideal average day? He told me to write it down, and he said, if you live this every single day of your life, you will never work a day again. And it's been a goal of mine ever since, live my ideal average day. I'm about to get into it. How does my workout face look? Oh, wow. That was absolutely amazing. Sometimes I like to come down here when I'm in these parts of the world with the ocean and go for a cold immersion swim. You should try it out if you haven't done it before. It really gets the oxygen to the brain and gets the energy going for the day. Win the morning, win the day, baby. I don't always get the opportunity to hop in the spa and switch between a cold and a hot plunge. And then I like to meditate in the spa afterwards as well, and then I get into the day. So I want to ask you, what could you put into your ideal average day to set your day up for success? Because the way you start the morning is the way you start the rest of the day, and it gives you momentum into the rest of the day. Fortunately enough, in the place we're staying right now, there's a sauna, and when there's a sauna, I always use it. It's absolutely amazing. Clears out. What does it clear out? The fuck? Clears out everything. Okay guys, get ready for the closing action. I normally start my day at about 9 AM once I've done my morning routine and I'm feeling energized, ready to go. There's one thing I know, that sales is a transfer of energy and emotion. Then we come over here to our laptop. It's really simple. What I'm going to give you a sneak peek of today is our Active Campaign Customer Relationship Manager. Now all the leads will come through here, and when we teach our closers to get hired in a position, the companies that they're closing for are actually responsible for the leads. So they'll either come through here, our closers go in and close the leads, or they'll automatically book into your calendar so you can jump straight on and start closing the leads. Now, all we need is a simple phone. I've got my headphones here, our laptop. So I like to use these headphones when I'm closing sales because they allow me to walk around and get into flow. And the biggest thing with closing sales is that it's actually all about your body language and how you make people feel. And when I'm moving my body over the phone, people can feel that through the phone, and that's the most powerful thing that you want to get across when you're closing sales, which is why we start the day every single day and we do this perfect ideal average day so that people can actually feel you and you're that inspired individual on the phone. And this is why I believe you are only one skill away from freedom. I've been able to do this in 6 countries so far in most states of Australia while traveling the world. Really, really simple skill to learn, guys. And we have our guys sprint for a 90-day freedom plan. You can be hired after 90 days in a position, closing sales, earning over $2,000 a week. I went through a period of my life where it was all about the hustle and the grind. And the reason why I implement the ideal average day is because it's all about the ebb and the flow. It's all about enjoying and living your best life to your fullest potential. And I found by doing this that I actually perform at a way higher level because I'm looking after my inside internal state, which then reflects into your outside world. So this is what it's all about, guys. In sales and closing, it's a transfer of energy and emotion. And when you're living that way and choosing to be that way each and every day and show up powerfully, this is when you can transform and close other people on the phone. All right, we're about to go grab a bite to eat, and you see why I do this, guys, is it's all about living to your highest values and doing the things that are the most important to you. And I've always had a dream of living life on my own terms, and I now live it. And the reason why I believe becoming a 6-figure closer is the fastest way to freedom is because it's a launch pad into bigger things. It's a launch pad in doing the things that are the most important to you on your heart. And this is what it's about, guys, each and every day, because we've only got one life. I'm about to go up north of the Gold Coast and see my mum and my family. I haven't seen them in a while, and then I'm going to do it all again. Right now, does your current career enable you to live the life of your dreams and have freedom? And if your lifestyle is not allowing that for you, what skill is going to get you there? And I know for me, Closing absolutely changed the game. It allowed me to build unshakable confidence and get myself to this point where I now have freedom and I do what I choose. To spend time with my family, to have financial freedom, to be like a bird out of a cage, free to express, free to go where I wanted, when I wanted, however I wanted. And if your lifestyle is not allowing that, what skills are going to get you there? And all it takes is courage to step outside your comfort zone into the freedom zone.